Hi there! Thanks for your interest in our Preflight plugin for 3ds Max. Its primary role is preparing scenes for export. For example, it can be sent to Unreal Engine or Unity or exported as a FBX file. You'll find it's very easy to use, essentially automating tools from other Ignite plugins. By clicking through the checklist, you can clean and optimize a scene in seconds. Step 1. The first thing to do is select everything you wish to export. If you use proxies, tick the checkbox. These will be switched to full mesh mode for export. Step 2. If textures are missing, Unite will open and you need to relink the assets. Preflight will check for instances and, if possible, instance copy geometry. Step 3. This automatically runs through some tools from the Sculpt plugin. Step 4. Double face checks. Again, from the Sculpt plugin. Step 5. Visual diagnostic checks. If you find issues, you have a choice: to either stop Preflight and fix them, or to continue. Step 6. It's self-explanatory. To bypass the step, click on the arrow on the right. As you work through the steps, the status is displayed on the list below. Step 7. Once complete, you can export to Unreal Engine Datasmith or save it as an FBX file, depending on which export option you selected in the top row. That's it for Preflight. And also, this is the last video for the Ignite collection. Hopefully, if you've watched them all, you'll appreciate how each tool functions and how to use them in combination with others in the collection. In my next video, I'll begin to discuss the SINi object plugins, starting with Disperse, our 3D object painting tool. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.